Hey, you, yes, I'm talking to you. Are you tired of actual good graphics from your video games with cool people doing cool people things like smoking cigarettes even though it'll get you cancer? And do you want to go back to the 80s graphics where games were only made out of text or the graphics were trying to be made out of text, like your environment was made out of single characters? Then get your hands on Downward Descent, a game I made about 6 months ago that you can get your hands on for about $0.00, completely free. Remember, at any time if you need any extra help, if you press I, a text file will be made in the directory of the Downward Descent game. This text file will be Downward Descent information. Oh boy, look at all this very helpful information on how I play the game and everything that I need to know for saving my game and as well as all the monsters and things. Oh boy, so interesting. Now, there are two modes. Story mode, which is my favorite, has you going through this dungeon trying to figure out what the hell in the name of God you're here for. And you start out at floor 90 and you try to make your way down to floor 1. You have an inventory with potions, and you can do things like interact with shops, see that you have no money to buy anything, and cry yourself to sleep. As well as going down more floors, talking to more shops, even more shops. There are so many shops you'll never get tired of it. As well as go on adventures, fight monsters, try to kill all the monsters, try to fight even more monsters and die, and then eventually skip how quickly you died. Some other things you can do is open chests, take the money from the chests, take the weapons and armor from those chests, and you can then later sell those to merchants. Ah, yes, my favorite armor. It doesn't help me in the slightest, but Excalibur sure does seem handy. Let me take them both. Oh, look at that, a priest. I can heal by using the pray thingy, but I can also get some very important information about the world by talking to a priest. Ah, yes, my favorite person, Five Waisu. And he's telling me something about the world. Boy, I do love some lore dumps. What is he saying? His only companions live alone. They stand tall, unwavering. With their arms outstretched, they too watch, ever silent, ever faithful. Boy, that sure is interesting. I'll have to think about what the hell that means later. But boy, I sure do like adventuring and killing monsters. You will kill many hordes of monsters. I hope you enjoy killing monsters. But wait, I want to save my game. What if I die? Well, if I press P, I can go and save my game. What's the name of my save? Well, I'm a pretty good boy, so I'm going to say that my save is good boy. What's the password to my save? Only the most secure password I know of. 12345. Alrighty then. Now if I die, I can always reload that save. Oh, crap. Looks like I might die now. Or not. But I always have that save, just in case. Oh, and I died. Well, I can always reload that save. Good boy. What's my password again? Ah, yes, the most secure password. 12345. And as you can see, I resume right to where I left off, before I died miserably. But note that from then on, it won't necessarily be the same, since everything is random. The other mode is Endless Mode. In Endless Mode, the very interesting thing about it is that, of course, the objective for this is to get as much money as possible and to kill as many things as possible. Also, monsters get harder from here on out. A lot harder. Oh boy, they are really giving me a fight. Ooh, a super toothpick. I think I'll pass, thanks. Boy, oh boy, I'm getting a run for my money, aren't I, chaps? This will let you cave spelunky to your heart's content until you die. Yikes, looks like I might be at the end of my turn. Look at that. I was able to live for 1 minute, and my score for the endless mode is 56. You've beaten Nun's high score. Please enter a 7-letter name for your high score. Well, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Look at that. And now it will save my high score. So if someone else beats my high score, it will tell them so. Now if you're wondering, Alistair, oh Alistair, where do I get this game? It's very simple. You just head over to this link, if I can type it in correctly. There we go. If you head over to this link, it will bring you to my repository, which is basically just the game itself. And you can see all of the Python files that you'll need to run the program. This is the downward descent. This is the game itself. This is the stuff for the endless mode, for the story mode, and then basically everything else. I just recently added it to GitHub, so that's why it says it was made 4 days ago. And you can also see me talking about, oh, why did I make it, what it is. So yes, I hope you enjoy it if you decide to play it. It's completely free. You can just take it from my repository and have fun. And if you enjoy it enough, tell me to make another one if you want, or make more games. I don't care. I was making another game, but whatever. And also, try to figure out what's going on in my stupid story. Honestly, it's the story and Downward Descent's so bad. Whatever. Have fun.